Hi everyone! Diana
and Maria.
are here in yet another how-to video. Last time we've incorporated the wheel in PowerPoint presentations and we focused on reward-oriented presentations.
We have, however, mentioned that similar presentations can be made, with multiple options added on the side where one would be able to choose the correct or incorrect options. Keep in mind that the videos we made are all intertwined in a way, so it would be for the best to watch our 3 previous videos before watching this one.
Here's a sample. Choose the Insert tab and select Picture. After we add our wheel, we can focus on the Format tab. Click on Selection pane. This will allow you to view and even rename all of the elements that are in the slides. By selecting Insert and Picture, we can add our images. We will add one picture per each color on our wheel, as later we can merge all of these in just one image.
It will assure the animations work properly. This is very useful for people who can't use Photoshop or Illustrator and therefore can't add anything to the wheel otherwise.
Use Insert and Picture to add the arrow, and it will be yet another PNG image with transparent background. Use Insert and Shapes to add the button, which we can use for activating the spin later on. You can edit it and even add text in the Format tab.
By using Insert and Shapes, we can add a few more buttons, so to speak. We'll name them in the Format tab by choosing the text box option. This will allow us to add the names of the fruits we have previously added to a wheel. Don't forget to rename the shapes in the selection pane before adding animations. It will make life so much easier later on. Select the wheel image and click on the Animation tab. Choose Spin. Open the animation pane. Set the trigger for the wheel animation on the click of the Spin Me button. Open the drop menu. We want to add more spins, so we set it to 720 degrees. We chose to smooth the start and the end to make everything look seamless. Sound was added too. Now, select Peaches Animation tab, darken, and set the trigger to Peaches. Repeat the procedure for all of the other so-called buttons. We'll edit them more later. It's time to duplicate the side 8 times.
Since we got 8 fields, we have to make sure the arrows point to a different fruit each time we spin the wheel. We can do that by changing degrees.
Let's choose an option between 405 and 720 degrees.
See where it stops spinning. We'll edit the cherry now.
Select Cherry and click on the Animation tab. Select Pulse and open the drop menu.
You can add sound and even slow down the animation. Set the trigger to cherry.
This way, the correct answer will be emphasized.
Edit the degrees on all of the wheels. Check where the animation stops, and repeat the steps previously shown for deleting the animations for specific fruits and adding new animations.
In the end, you should get something like this. That was it for now.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.